Hey, what's up everybody? Today we are putting the sport seats in the E91 wagon. So I already have the sport steering wheel in, so I'll show you what I'm working on. So basically there are these two torque screws right here, and then two in the back. And basically just take them out and then take that out and then unplug the seat. But before you unplug the seat, you want to disconnect your battery and make sure that that airbag light doesn't go on. Something else to mention is you want to leave the battery on until you unplug it, just so that you can move the seat back and forward like that. So the bolts are all loose and you can actually take them out, but you can still move the seat to get to the bolts in the back. Another tough part is getting this cover off. So basically it slides and clips in there, but it also clips in that way. So the way that I've been doing it is basically putting this flathead right where that clip is, and it's actually right up here, so you want to kind of get your flathead right up there. The way that I did it is I put one here and one back here. This kind of lifts up, so if you do that, you can kind of, it slides that way, so you want to slide out and then also lift up these back clips. This one was actually a lot easier than the other side. The other one was in there pretty tight. But yeah, so basically once you have that off, just another Torx right in there. Okay, now that bolt's out. I want to keep that somewhere, and the seatbelt's out. So I just disconnected the battery. So you just want to use a flathead and open up that black. This black piece should unclip it. Alright, so we got that out. You just want to slide this out and that'll release the plug here. Now with the seat out, you can see how dirty it is in here, so I'm definitely going to vacuum that all up and then install the new sport seats. Alright, as you can see, there's no seats in the car. I have, this is a sport seat that's going in, and here's actually the old seat, the standard non-sport, and I had to take the seatbelt off, and to do so you have to take apart that yellow piece that slides into here. And then you have these two that slide into the yellow piece, and then the seatbelt wiring, which also slides in there, and it kind of travels along there. Here's the passenger sport seat. So yeah, everything's ready to go back in, and hopefully the wiring all works. So I'll put them in, connect them, and hopefully everything works. I just got both the seats in. They're just wired, they're not bolted in at all, so I'm going to start the car up. I just hooked the battery up and we'll see what happens. And we're good. Wow. Alright, so it appears that this lumbar support works on the passenger seat as well as the bolsters. All that works. The only weird thing is the driver's side doesn't seem to function. Really weird. Oh, must be something in the wiring that's causing that. Biggest thing that might have caused that is this connector right here, which is the seat's controls basically. And this one was different than on the Sport, so it could be the reason why. So now bolt everything back up, and there you go. Sport seats that kind of don't work, but look cool.